Asante sana Bwana County Secretary kwa nafasi hii. Kabla nizungumze chochote ama nisome speech hii, abantu bamintase muri mwenzi gaki ngoro kyango mbuya mwaboka mbuya muri naende. Sasa niruhusu nisome speech ya Mheshimiwa Governor ambaye alikuwa kwe hapa siku hii ya leo, lakini kwa sababu alikuwa kwa shughuli za kikazi kule Nairobi na tena alikuwa na homa kidogo, akasema kwa heshima kubwa na tena hapa ni nyumbani nikiwa msaidizi wake nikuje nisome speech hii. Na hii ndio speech ya Mheshimiwa Governor mpendwa His Excellency H.E Simba during the celebrations to mark the 61st Jamhuri Day Aigaseitu Nyantorago Stadium. The County Commissioner, Mr. Joseph Kibet, representative of the Honorable Member of Parliament, Zairi Janda, presiding Judge, Justice Mnyao, Judge, Justice Nyachai, members of the County Assembly present, members of the County Executive Committee, chief officers, county and national government staff, distinguished guests. Ladies and gentlemen, it is with great pleasure that I address you today on this historical occasion as our nation marks 61 years of independence. Allow me to extend my warm greetings to the people of the great county of Kisii and to all Kenyans wherever they may be, both within our borders and beyond. The significance of Jamhuri Day cannot be overstated, as it offers us a moment to reflect on the day Kenya achieved self-rule and the struggle that led to that momentous event. Ladies and gentlemen, this day serves as a reminder of the courageous and selfless sacrifices made by our freedom fighters who gave their lives to liberate us from the chains of colonial rule that held us for so long. As we pause to reflect on the journey of independence, we are filled with confidence that the future of our nation is indeed bright. Our devolved system of governance, which brings together 48 governments in one united Republic of Kenya, stands as a strong foundation for building citizen-centered governance and fostering national development. As a nation, it is essential that we reflect on our past and honor the sacrifices made by our heroes in shaping the self-determination of our country for future generations. Today presents a significant opportunity to recognize and value the tremendous contributions of those who fought for our independence. We also take this moment to commend Kenyans who continue to play an active role in enhancing our national prosperity. Whether through agriculture, healthcare, education, sports, or entrepreneurship, these individuals embody the true spirit of Jamhuri. Moreover, we express our gratitude to the generations of patriotic Kenyans whose unwavering commitment led to constitutional reforms and the establishment of devolution. It is in this very spirit of devolution that we gather here today in Nyantorago to celebrate Jamhuri far from the central hub of Kisii. In light of the significance of Jamhuri Day and its impact on our unity as a nation of 48 governments, I reaffirm the Kisii County Government's dedication to fulfilling the development objectives outlined in our manifesto. Since I came in as your governor, my goal has been to build an environment that promotes the county's growth and empowers its people. To achieve this, I have concentrated on 5 core areas herein enumerated: devolution and governance, wealth creation, sustainable environmental conservation, social development, and leveraging ICT as a tool for progress. These focus areas in direct alignment with the national government's development priorities. Ladies and gentlemen, in line with this year's Jamhuri Day theme, jobs, labor, migration, entertainment, and entrepreneurship, my administration is endeavoring to create an environment and opportunities to our youth through various mentorship programs in partnership with financial and non-financial institutions and other agencies like the H.E program. Ladies and gentlemen, the Kisii County government has initiated a number of projects in all departments. In the H.E sector, we have implemented reforms at Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital, KTRH, as well as all level 4 hospitals. As you are aware, we have improved on revenue collection at KTRH and other outlying facilities. In human resource development in the health sector, we have sent a number of officers for further training in various specialties for career progression. In addition, we have promoted more than 1,000 healthcare workers in all cadres who have stagnated in the same job group for years. This is in our effort to appreciate and motivate them to continue serving the public better. At the same time, we are in the process of filling those positions that require competitive promotions. As I'm saying this, interviews are ongoing and the vacancies will be filled upon completion of the process. In the sub-counties, we have set aside substantial resources to complete various stalled projects in all the 45 wards to ensure that our people get the much needed services. Some of the projects include the upgrading of Nyamaji Sub-County Hospital, where we have set aside 30 million shillings for renovation this financial year. At Obebo Level 4 Hospital, we have availed 300 million shillings to develop the infrastructure and the upgrading of the hospital. In the Department of Education, Manpower Development and Vocational Training, I am happy to report that with the support of the County Assembly, we have reintroduced the County Bursary Program, where we initially dispersed a total of 145 million, with each of the 45 wards receiving 3 million in the first batch. This year, we increased the allocation to 225 million, where each ward will be receiving 5 million in bursaries. To improve infrastructure in our learning institutions, in the last financial year, we have invested heavily in the construction of modern ECD classrooms and vocational training facilities across the 45 wards. Additionally, we have employed additional teachers in our ECD centers and instructors to technical training centers on permanent and pensionable terms. The officers were among the 178 workers who have been working at the Kisii County government for more than 3 years without salaries, and they joined the county payroll after the completion of a verification exercise held by the County Service Board. They are now in the payroll under permanent and pensionable terms. The workers also include 42 vocational training instructors, 45 ECD teachers, 60 agricultural officers, 3 clinical officers, 3 administration officers. All of them are now in the PO. A total number of 164 teachers who are above the age of 45 have gotten their salaries improved. I directed the Public Service Board to expedite cases of 12 officers from various departments and 13 ECD teachers who exceeded the number that was advertised. This was considered irregular, but they will be considered and taken on board as soon as the board finalizes the process. On infrastructure, roads and public works, I am up to report that we have made significant progress over the past 1 year based on the feedback my officers received from the residents. Further, we have altered the mode of operations in the procurement of roads and infrastructure services, and this therefore effectively we seek to cascade the constituency-based 9-lot contract mode to the ward-based system for improved efficiency. Apart from having all county roads gravelled to all weather roads and standards, going forward, my plan is to have all our roads in the rural areas paved to blacktop level, and those in the urban areas to go and be made with cabro pavings. In agriculture, which is the backbone of our economy, we are focusing on agro-processing, value addition, and marketing to increase returns to farmers. We shall continue investing in empowering farmers with entrepreneurship skills and link them to markets to ensure that they reap maximum returns from their sweat. At the same time, we have actualized the banana and avocado factories at ATC, and to support the value chain, we have established an avocado nursery where farmers are accessing seedlings at affordable rates. Ladies and gentlemen, in the area of water, energy and climate change, we are resolute on protecting the environment and sustainable use of existing natural resources through participatory management, planting of water-friendly tree species, conservation of forests, and restoration of water catchment areas. To promote the uptake of the environment-friendly renewable energy, we are set to initiate a large-scale solar power generation project here at the Andrago scheme around Itibonge, Kegochi, and Ladies and gentlemen, as I conclude, it's important to recognize that the heroes of our independence made great sacrifices to ensure a free and united nation, and then it's our responsibility to honor and preserve the legacy they left behind. I take this opportunity to congratulate our teachers and all education stakeholders who play a crucial role towards the success of our students. As the 2024 candidates are waiting for results of the just concluded national examinations, I wish them all the best. I urge parents to remember that amidst of these December celebrations, they have a responsibility to ensure that learners get back to school come January. So, enjoy responsibly. I call upon parents and guardians to shun vices that are outdated and retrogressive, e.g. FGM, female genital mutilation, that have caused permanent physical and psychological harmful effects to our women and girls. Let our young daughters grow as God created them, and this will give them an opportunity to effectively compete with their male counterparts. Finally, I wish you a happy Jamhuri Day, a Merry Christmas, and a prosperous New Year 2025. Thank you very much.